Lumpy. Lumpy means food with unwanted solid pieces. For example, the milk is lumpy. Do not drink lumpy milk. Mushy. Mushy means food that had become too soft and lose shape. For example, the apple is mushy. Mushy vegetables taste bad. Rancid. It means oil that smells unpleasant. For example, the oil smells rancid. Rancid butter tastes bad. Moldy. Moldy means food covered with green or black fungus. For example, the bread is moldy. Moldy cheese is unhealthy. Discolored. It means food whose natural color has changed. For example, the fruit is discolored. Discolored food looks unsafe. Contaminated. Food mixed with harmful germs are known as contaminated. For example, the water is contaminated. Contaminated food is dangerous. Soggy. Food that is too wet and soft is known as soggy. For example, the fries are soggy. Soggy snacks taste bad. Curdled. It means milk that has separated into thick parts. For example, the milk is curdled. Curdled milk should not be used. Tainted. It means food that has been spoiled or affected by harmful substances. For example, the water is tainted. Tainted food is dangerous. Fizzy. It means food or drink bubbling due to unwanted fermentation. For example, the juice is fizzy. Fizzy juice has gone bad. Wilted. It means vegetables that have become soft and lifeless. For example, the spinach is wilted. Wilted vegetables don't taste fresh. Putrid. It means food that smells bad and is rotten. For example, the meat is putrid. Putrid food should be thrown away immediately. Stale. It means food that is old and has lost freshness. For example, the bread is stale. Stale biscuits are hard to eat. Rotten. It means food that has decayed and smells bad. For example, the tomato is rotten. Rotten vegetables are dangerous to eat. Unsanitary. It means food stored in unhygienic condition. For example, the food is unsanitary. Unsanitary food can cause illness. Oxidized. It means food changed due to air. For example, the apple is oxidized. Oxidized apple looks brown. Sour. It means food that tastes acidic. For example, the milk turned sour. The milk tastes sour. Throw it away. Infested. It means food with insects or worms. For example, the flour is infested with insects. The rice is infested. Throw it away. Chewy. It means food hard to bite. For example, the bread is chewy. Chewy food is not fresh. Crumbly. It means food that breaks easily. It means the cake is crumbly. Crumbly cake is old. Past prime. It means food no longer fresh or best. For example, the cake is past prime. Past prime cake tastes bad. Unsafe. It means food that can make you sick. For example, the leftovers are unsafe. Unsafe food should not be eaten. Blotchy. It means spots on food. For example, the fruit is blotchy. Blotchy fruit should not be eaten. Wet. It means food with too much water. For example, the bread is wet. Wet food spoils quickly. Bitter. It means food with a bad taste. For example, the medicine is bitter. Bitter food is unpleasant. Discarded. It means food that should be thrown. For example, the curry is discarded. Discarded food is unsafe. Burnt. It means food cooked too long or at high heat. For example, the toast is burnt. Burnt food tastes bad. Now, in the comments section, tell me the meanings of the words slimy and perished. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.